We'll guide you through how to leave from a workspace in Asana. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click Google Chrome on your computer and wait for the browser to load completely. Navigate to the Asana website by entering the web address into the browser and waiting for the homepage to appear. Sign into your account using your registered email address and password to access your workspace. Make sure you are on the Asana homepage before continuing with the workspace removal process. Once the homepage is displayed, click your profile photo to open the account menu. From the available options, select Edit Profile to access your account settings. Open the Account tab where Workspace membership and account management options are available. Scroll down the page until you reach the lower section containing additional account settings. Locate the Deactivation section and review the available options carefully. Click Remove Me from this workspace to begin leaving the selected workspace. Review the confirmation message displayed on the screen to understand the impact of the action. Click Remove to confirm that you want to leave the workspace. Wait for the changes to be applied while Asana processes the request and updates your account membership. Once the process is complete, return to the home page within Asana. Verify that the workspace no longer appears in your workspace list and confirm that you no longer have access to it. Review the workspace selector to ensure the removed workspace is no longer available under your account. The system will automatically save and apply the membership change without requiring additional action. Make sure the update has been fully completed before continuing with other tasks. After changing the workspace, start by creating a new project inside the updated workspace to organize your work. Next, insert a task into the project and configure the task details according to your requirements. Finally, edit and customize your changed workspace as needed by managing projects, tasks, and other available workspace settings.